Alrighty, nice 70-degree day out here at the pond. It's middle of April, so there should be a little spawning going on. Let's see if we can't pull one of these big boys out of here tonight and have some fun. What do you think, Landon?
Yeah, we'll try and get a big one. I've gotten a big one here before, so we're trying to get it again.
Yep. Enjoying God's creation again. Landon knows I'm going to catch more tonight than he is, so...
What?
Yeah, oh yeah.
No.
Oh yeah. It's going to be a good time. We'll see you guys in a little bit. You got one?
Yeah, I got one, Daddy.
Get him in.
It's a crappie.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Crappie off the wacky, huh?
Yeah.
Nice job. Number one on the day. Got him, Landon?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a nice one there. Bring him over here to the shore. Oh yeah. See if we can't. Oh, that's a good job. Alright, lift him up. Lift him up. There you go. What do you think about that one, huh? Pretty good one?
Yeah, it's a nice one.
Yeah. Put your thumb in his lip. Oh, you got the hook right there.
The hook's in his lip.
Alright, good one.
Yeah.
You got him?
Yeah. He's a tough one.
Oh yeah, bring him up. Come on, put him in. Put him on the dock. Good job. You got him, Landon? Bring him in. Good job, buddy. You're killing it today.
Yeah, that's a big one.
That's a good one, yeah. Nice job. Oh, a nice one, buddy. Yeah. Oh, that's a good one, right?
Yeah.
You're killing it, man. Good job. Get him up on the shore. Yeah. That a boy.
It's a big one.
That's a good one, huh? All right, Landon, back in the truck. We hit the pond today. He did pretty well. Tell me about it.
So we got like tons of fish, and when we were doing it, there were other fish that would bite onto our hooks, but we just couldn't pull them in. And we got tons and tons of bites, non-stop bites. There's a couple of minutes where it was just straight out nothing, and we started pulling them back in. And since it was like kind of the rut for bass, they were all up on the shores laying eggs, so we just had to cast right there next to the bushes to get the good ones.
Right on. So we caught, what, 4 or 5, right?
I think maybe 7 or something.
Oh, okay. Yeah. All right. Well, cool. Well, we'll have to come back and do it again, right?
Yeah.
Right on. Thank you again for God's creation letting us fish.